New developments today in the case against Casey Anthony. Prosecutors say they do not have to provide the defense with forensic evidence they asked for in a new motion.
Also, the state is making no effort to supply Casey's defense with the information they want on why prosecutors are pursuing the death penalty. West 2's Bob Killing joins us live with more. And Bob, why isn't Casey's defense getting the information they want?
Well, in their response this week, prosecutors say that some of the information, like FBI records, are out of their jurisdiction. And they said nothing at all about defense demands for more information about their reasons for seeking the death penalty.
And we will
in one of their new motions, Casey Anthony's defense team complained that State Attorney Jeff Ashton did not provide enough detail about the 5 aggravating factors leading them to seek death against Casey. In his response, Jeff Ashton said nothing in response. And defense attorney Richard Hornsby says the state is not legally required to reveal their thought process.
It really boils down to the defense wants to get to the state's theory. They want to understand why and what it is the state will rely upon and try to prove at trial and showing this premeditation.
Hornsby agrees with the argument Ashton made in court that this is protected work product the state is not required to reveal. Hornsby says the defense is also asking for forensic evidence that's out of the prosecution's jurisdiction, meaning the defense will have to get it themselves. One example is the so-called experimental research upon which the Oak Ridge lab in Tennessee tested the air in Casey's car. Her defense is asking the lab reveal to them the hundreds of compounds they used to come to the conclusion the air did show signs of decomposition.
Then if Oak Ridge Laboratories refuses to comply, I think the defense is well within their right to ask that this evidence be excluded from trial because they can't confront it, they can't challenge it.
But Hornsby says the defense will have to take it upon themselves to subpoena that information, just as they have Texas EquiSearch records. And one other note also today, Jose Baez has delayed until next week a series of witness depositions, including the neighbor who says Casey borrowed a shovel from him the week Kaylee disappeared. Martha?